Hello. Today we will compare between Wix and Duda. Okay. So we compare them by what the people search for, so using Google Trend, and then we compare them by the job market. In Upwork, we use Upwork, and then we compare them by the futures of each one. Okay. So here for the first one here, so that's Wix with the blue color. That's the trend of Wix, and that's for Duda. So we notice that the people search for Wix more. Okay, so that's give us that maybe Wix is more documented and something like this. Okay, and that stands on you. Okay, so in Google, people search for Wix rather than Duda, more than Duda. In the job market, when we search for Wix, let's start with Duda. Okay, so here, even if you don't like to work online as freelancer, but still Upwork or any online freelance platform still represents the job market. Okay, so when we search for Duda, we find that there is just one for entry level, 10 for intermediate, for expert there is 7 open job. When we search for Wix, there is more open job. Okay, so there is 82 for entry level, 831 for intermediate, and 275 for expert. So for the job market, Wix is by far better than Duda. Okay, so for the futures, so for Wix, we have Wix and Duda. For the future, the target audience, so Wix is for small business and Duda is for web professionals. For the ease of use, Wix is for beginner friendly with drag and drop editor, and Duda is more advanced. For the templates and design flexibility, for Wix is over 900 templates. Duda is with fewer templates. Client management tool, Wix is limited, Duda is advanced. Mobile responsive, mobile friendly for Wix, but manual adjustment needed. For Duda, fully responsive by default, no manual adjustment needed. For the pricing, Wix lower price and Duda more expensive. E-commerce futures, integrated store builder for small medium stores. For Duda, more advanced for professional store building and more flexibility. Okay, so I hope that you like this video, and I hope that you subscribe. And if you want good resources to learn Wix or Duda, I will give you good resources in the descriptions below. So that's it. Thank you for watching.